If you are running a WooCommerce store and you are not using one-click upsell, then you are leaving money on the table. In this video, I will show you how to add high converting one-click upsell to your WooCommerce store using FunnelKit. By the end of this video, you will learn what one-click upsell are, how they increase your average order value, and how to set them up in WooCommerce using FunnelKit. So what is one-click upsell? A one-click upsell is an offer shown right after a customer make a purchase. Instead of asking them to re-enter the payment details, they can accept the offer with just one click. So for example, if someone buys a product, you offer an accessories for that product. That's how you can increase your revenue without getting new traffic. Hi everyone, my name is Abhishek and today I will show you how to set up one-click upsell in WooCommerce. So for this, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard and here you need to install the FunnelKit plugin. So I have already made a dedicated video on how to set up FunnelKit plugin, how to install it and in your WooCommerce store. So just install the FunnelKit plugin and here you need the FunnelKit Pro plugin as well. Here you can see the pricing of this plugin. So it will cost you around $99 per year for one website and for two websites it will cost you $180. So you can see the features of this plugin. So we need to install this FunnelKit plugin in our WordPress website. Let's go to plugin and as you can see I have installed the FunnelKit Funnel Builder plugin along with the FunnelKit Builder Pro plugin. Now let's check how can set up the one-click upsell to your store. So for this, what I can do is I will go to FunnelKit and here you will see an option funnel. Just click on that and here you can see a templates. So you can choose any of the template. So let me select this classic one. So you can click on preview and this is how the sales page looks like. And then we have the checkout page and then we have one-click upsell here like this. And then we have a thank you page like this. So let me import this template. So let's import this one-click upsell. Click on import this funnel and let me set like one-click upsell. And here you can see this is the landing page. You can click on preview and this is how the landing page looks like. So here you can add your product image, you can add description about the product, and then if someone click on this button then they will land to the checkout page. Let me click on preview here. So they will land on this page where you can also display the product features and here they will enter their contact information and place the order. Once the order is placed, you can display upsell to that customer. Let me click on preview and this is how you can add another product here. So they can add that product to their cart. So after that you will display a thank you page like this. So let's check how this funnel works. So let me close all this. First we need to edit the landing page. So let me go to the dashboard. Let's go to the products. Let's go to all product. So I want to add this product as the main product and I will offer a similar product in the upsell. So I will offer this hair repair shampoo. So let me open this product. Let me copy the product title and here in the landing page, let's click on that. And let me click on edit template and here you can add your product title and description. You can replace your product image. Let me select a product. Now let's change the button text to something like buy now and let me remove all these sections. Let's hit save. Now let's go back. Now let me go back again and then we can add our checkout page. So let's click on checkout page and here you can click on edit. So I don't want this logo section and let me replace the product image as well and we can add the product title and description here like this. Let's reduce the font size a little bit. All right, let's hit save. Now here you can add your product. So let me click on add product and here let me search for this product and let me click on add. Now if someone purchase this product, then I will display an upsell to a different product. So let me go back and let's click on upsell, click on offer, and here I can add a different product here. So let me add hair repair shampoo. Let me click on add product and let's click on add now. Now here you can skip this offer if this product is exist in the parent order. So let's go back. Now let me copy the landing page link here. So I can link this URL anywhere on my website. So let me go to the dashboard. Let's go to the menu and let me add this product. So I will click on custom link and let me paste that link and let me set it like upsell product. Let me add to menu, hit save. Let's open it. Now we have the landing page. So if someone click on here, then they will see a landing page like this, where they can see the product image, their description, and then they can see in details. And then if someone click on this button, then you will redirect them to a checkout page where they need to enter their payment information and place this order. And once the order is placed, then you can display a upsell product here and they can add this product to their cart like this. And as you can see, the product is now added to their cart. So in this way, if someone purchase a product and after the successful payment, you can display another product, and if they want to add that to their cart, then that upsell product will be automatically added to their order history. So as you can see, they can see the order history. So if someone purchase this product, you offer an upsell product like this, and in this way you can increase your average order value in your WooCommerce store. And you can also display special offer as well. So you have a lot of flexibility using the FunnelKit plugin. So in this way, you can create a funnel. So first you created a landing page, and when the visitors come to that landing page, they will click on buy now button, and after they click on that buy now button, you will redirect them to a checkout page. And once they make the payment and purchase this product, then you upsell a product right after the purchase. And if someone click on that button, then this product will be automatically added to their order and ask them to make the payment without entering the payment method again. And after that, you will display a thank you page to that customer. So this is how you can create a funnel and increase the average order value in your WooCommerce store. So if you still have doubt how the funnel works, then do let me know in the comment section. And if you found this type of video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.